Hi guys, we're on the nature walk for Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day everybody. Got the entire family here except for my older sister. Working. Just going on a nice little walk next to a river. As you can see there. Next to a river, as you can see there. There's stuff going on what I don't know about. Sports centre, okay. Thank you, Mother. Don't know who that was. I think we're just going to have a really nice day, and I'm just going to be recording as much as I can so that I can give you as much video as I can. The biggest experience as I can. Now I'm passing the camera to my dad. Sponsoring him.
Hello. Goodbye.
Okay, there's the owner of Eastern Fireman's Trust, my father. As you can see, he had a very nice hour-long talk with you of hello, goodbye. Very significant and detailed talk. Hey Dad, you think we should turn down on the camera without telling them? And there's my brother and sister. Don't tell them that I'm recording them, because they will be very annoyed. Okay, that's enough of my brother and sister. Back to me. So, happy Mother's Day, I suppose. I'm still recording. Let's pass it on to the person who's meant to be important today. The mother. Oh.
Hola.
He's not Hawaiian, by the way.
No, I'm definitely not Hawaiian.
She's
or
not
Spanish.
Hawaiian. Or Spanish. She talks regularly. She's English.
I'm definitely English.
She's definitely English. We're gonna have a game of acoustics when we get to the bridge, right?
I don't think we'll go across this bridge just yet, do we?
Okay, we're not going across the bridge immediately.
When we come back from the other direction, we will.
When we come back from the other direction, okay. I'll show you that then. Okay. Nice bridge there.
Perfect, because people going in.
I know. They won't know anyways, because most of them probably don't know that I exist. Nice bigger view of the river there. Like and subscribe. This isn't the end of the video. I don't know why I'm telling you that now. Should have told you that 5 minutes ago. 3 minutes ago. We are still moving into a brand new, luxurious area. I still don't know why I'm talking like that, because it is not detailed in anywhere. So, we're going into a nice forest up on a hill there, as you can see. Okay, we're going around. Very twisty. I don't know other stuff to do. We've still got the forest. More detailed look at the forest there if you want. That would be terrifying if that one came down. Correct, Mother. Now we've got another view of the lake. Not yet. Right about now. There's another angle of the lake. There's a different angle. So, Nice. And I'll make another video in like 20 minutes or something. Bye. Like and subscribe.